With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here the question is, if mu s, mu k and mu r are the coefficient of static, kinetic and rolling friction respectively, then which relation is correct? Now we know students, when a body is in static position or rest position, to overcome the inertia of the body, we have to apply a force, and this applied force must be greater than the static friction force. So this static friction force is the maximum force. So for this static friction, mu s, that is the coefficient of static friction, is the highest of all the coefficient of friction. So mu s is greater than mu k, that is the kinetic friction, and also these two coefficient of friction is greater than rolling friction, because for rolling motion of a body will require least amount of frictional force. So we can say mu s is greater than mu k, and which is greater than mu r. That is, this relation is the correct relation. That is, option 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.